Good night, teacher and my friends. This is a presentation of Group 5. Please attention for this presentation.
Vocabulary and terminology have similar meanings to the prose explanation, but they are used specifically in the context of information system.
Vocabulary in information systems. This refers to a collection of words, pairs of terms that are used commonly in the context of information system. This includes common terms related to data processing, software, network, and other topics related to the world of information technology.
Terminology in information system. These are specifically terms used the context of information system or information technology. This may include terms that are unique to a particular type of software or technology, such as terms in database, computer, hardware, and programming language.
So, in information system, vocabulary is the connection of common words related to information technology. In general, terminology refers to
Specifically, terms use the context of information system or information technology. So, vocabulary and terminology information system are two different but close the related concepts.
Vocabulary in the context of information system refers to the collection of words or terms used in a particular domain or field. It includes the terms that are necessary to communicate and understand information in a context. For example, in a field information system, patient diagnosis and perception are part of vocabulary.
Yeah. Next, terminology.
Terminology refers to a more structured and consistent system of terms within a domain for filing its inclusion, organization, definition, and roles of those terms.
Terminology is usually more formal and standardized and is assessed to ensure consistency in communication and documentation within a domain.
In information system, terminology is often organized in the form of data dictionaries of rules for using terms in database and documentation.
So, the main difference is that a vocabulary is a collection of terms or words used in domain, while a terminology is a more structured and formal organization of those terms within a given information system or domain. Terminology helps to ensure that terms are used consistently and can be understood by all stakeholders in the information system.
Vocabulary. Number 3, vocabulary hardware. Terminology CPU central processing unit is mind or brain for the computer, and terminology number 2, mouse in hardware input, and number 3, keyboard is hardware input. Hard disk is for the memory of your working, and next, RAM as the component in CPU, and Vega card is component for the gaming. Next, vocabulary software is terminology application and browser, Linux, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows, and Adobe Photoshop. That's all, and thank you for attention for the presentation of Group 5, and thank you.
Bye-bye.
More formal and
Jennifer, kalau kan tadi kita sempat fokus, tapi Jennifer.
Tapi tegas pas tahu dong.
Maksudnya kan tahu. Ini kata apa nih Jennifer? Orang mau mati.
Ayo Tuhan Yesus ya.
Sudah jadi kok saya membantu kita tahu ternyata. Loncat.
Please, mana mau pulang?
Makanya maksudnya gak tahu sebelum itu mau pulang.
Kita pura-pura.
Maksudnya sih
Tapi kan sudah sedih ya. Ayo Helmy, maju kamu ke sini Helmy. Helmy.
Bungki kak. Ayo bungki kak.
Ayo serius ya.
seru-seru.
Sabar.